The Matador is a 90mm man-portable, disposable anti-armour weapon system developed in collaboration between Germany, Israel, and Singapore. It is an updated version of the German-Singaporean Armbrust design and operates on the same principles. The development of this weapon began in 2000 and the Matador will eventually replace the German-Singaporean Armbrust light anti-tank weapon, which has been in service since the 1980s. The Matador was developed jointly by the Singapore Armed Forces and the Defence Science and Technology Agency in collaboration with Rafael Advanced Defence Systems and Dynamit Nobel Defence Joint Team. The Matador is among the lightest in its class. The warhead is effective against both vehicle armor and brick walls. The weapon has little back blast, making it safe for operation in confined spaces. The Matador is supposed to be capable of defeating the armor of most known armored personnel carriers and light tanks in the world. The dual-capability warhead, when acting in the delay mode, creates an opening greater than 450mm in diameter in a double brick wall and acts as an anti-personnel weapon against those behind the wall, offering an unconventional means of entry when fighting in built-up areas. The Matador's projectile is claimed to be insensitive to wind due to its propulsion system, which results in a highly accurate weapon system. The warhead can be used in both high-explosive anti-tank and high-explosive squash head modes against armor and walls or other fortifications respectively. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.